Hey, Rodney, where are you going? How come everything's all in a mess in our apartment? Because we're going on a road trip! Woo!
Road, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the rented Chevy Cruze. Its 7-day mission to explore strange new places, to seek out new life and new adventures, to boldly go where no man has gone before. Captain's log. Captain's vlog. March 4th, 2017. As you can tell from our intro video, me and Janessa have kind of gotten into the Star Trek mode lately. We're Trekkies, I guess. Every Friday on BBC, they do a marathon of the original Star Trek from 4 p.m. to like midnight. And that's what we do. We are on a road trip on our way to California for spring break.
Yep. Looks pretty springy out here.
Well, we're excited. Today we're going to California. We're gonna see Aunt Becca hopefully tonight. Go to church with her tomorrow. Then Monday, where are we going? Oh, we'll still be with Aunt Becca.
Yep. Till Tuesday.
And what do we got the rest of the week?
We are going to the Redwoods and we're going to the ocean and San Francisco.
That's right. And we're gonna be camping. Hopefully. We'll see how that works with Rodney. It might be a little cold. It's supposed to rain this week maybe, but we're pretty excited. We're just gonna rough it. Whatever happens. Whether it's raining, whether it's cold. I mean, it can't be colder than Utah, right?
Yeah, probably not.
This trip is going to be more of just not a tourism trip, but just more of a get out and do what we want to do. If we see something on the side of the road, we're going to pull over and take pictures, shoot some videos, hopefully get our artistic and creative juices flowing, which should be easy for Janessa, but for me it's going to be some practice. But that's why we're here. And Rodney's goal is to capitalize on nap time. That's our goal for Rodney.
So sleep. Yep.
Out.
Okay, we kind of got a rough start this morning, but here we are passing that little fruit stand store. Sacco's. That's the only way I know where we are. I have no idea what town this is this late.
Riverton?
Riverton.
Yeah, we're almost late. Layton, Kaysville. 1 hour down. 12 to go.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about that. Rodney's sleeping. He was sleeping.
No, he's awake.
Oh, he's awake. I don't know if we're going to stop at Picture Line. Are we going to stop at Picture Line?
Sure.
We're going to stop and get some film. I love that.
I know, right? Here at Picture Line. This place is so sweet. All the camera things I'd ever want. Hope I can get out of here. Here's the camera I've been dreaming about getting. Beautiful. Yeah,
All the snow.
Rodney, say goodbye to the snow. Hopefully we won't be seeing it for another week. We're going to California to find the warm weather. California where the sun always shines.
They put that sign just because of this. Emergency stopping only.
back. Janessa is gonna take some pictures. It is bright out here. Whoa, there's a crow. That's pretty creepy. Let's go check it out real quick. No trespassing. Well, this is the end of the road. What does that say? It says Tree of Utah by Carl Moman. Here, good looking babe.
Walk to the...
This billboard says it's a long walk to California.
Free what? Free California trail.
Oh, am I gonna be able to see it? It's a long walk to California. Well, we're in Nevada now. And as you can see, Janessa's driving. We made an executive decision that she would be better at it.
Oh my gosh.
No, I think we decided we're gonna go about 3 or 4 hours each and then switch. So Janessa's turn. And actually, once we hit Wendover, like I said, we're in Nevada. And we are now in Pacific time. So we just gained an hour. So instead of being in the car for, well, how long have we been in the car? Instead of being almost for 4 hours, it's only been like 3. It's like time travel. This really is like Star Trek.
Yeah.
So, we're only one state away now from California. Just a long gap of Nevada.
Yeah.
But just one state.
That mountain is cool. What is that mountain? It's like on its own.
Yeah, it's like, to me it looks like Mount Kilimanjaro. Look at this mountain. See, doesn't that look cool? Just like off on its own. We should hike that one time. Conquer Mount Kilimanjaro in Nevada. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. I think we just picked up a motto for our vacation. No worries. No school, no work. Just hanging out. Me, you, Rodney, and Simba.
And Simba. Rar. Oh, wow.
Just be careful. Because I hear that biting a finger off is like biting through a carrot. I don't want you biting my finger off.
Yuck.
That's what they say. I don't know who they is, but they definitely say.
The finger eaters?
Yeah, those who've eaten fingers before say it's just like a carrot. Yeah, how do we even know that? So we're about 500 miles into our journey. We're coming up on Lovelock, Nevada. And actually, this is a cool place where people buy little like locks, and write their names on it and lock their love together and put it on this chain. And so I don't know if we'll have time to find our lock today. That would be fun, but time for Rodney to eat. Hello, Rodney. You're finally out of the car. You're finally out of the car.
That's a lamp. That's not a ball. That's a lamp.
So this is Lovelock City Plaza right here. Here we've got someone named Howard and Geraldine. They locked their love forever. As you can see though, there's a lot of locks. So I don't know how I'm gonna find mine. I don't even remember where it is. So I'm looking now at this picture that Janessa posted on Facebook 2 years ago when we did this. And looking right at where it's supposed to be. And according to my calculations, it should be right here. And the only lock that looks like ours, and it's in about the same spot, is this. But it's all worn off and rusty, and you can't even read what's on it. And even the lock has come off. But the words that you can see on it don't look like Landon or Janessa or Droubay, so I'm not sure. Well, I don't know. Kind of bummed I didn't find the lock. What does that say about our love? Is it not locked anymore? Well, still fun. Still fun memories.
Button? Button?
Here's Ronnie, he just got some food and he's always so happy when he gets his food.
You see Button?
Yeah, he likes being in the front seat. It's a lot better than the back seat. Oh, Mom's so funny. Find us some water and then we can get back on the road. Well, you thought we were getting back on the road, but anyone that knows me will not be surprised that we are actually at McDonald's. I knew we'd end up at McDonald's eventually. But I was thinking maybe the third or fourth day, not the first. Hello, Rodney.
Tired.
He's watching those nuggets. Yep, he looks pretty tired.
Tired of city.
The great thing about McDonald's is it's like the gospel, the Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints.
Oh,
It's the same great truths everywhere you go.
Is it?
I mean, look at those nuggets. Some people say that these aren't real chicken. But Janessa was telling me she saw a report that says McDonald's uses how many percent?
The DNA is only 88%.
88%.
It's not 100.
It's 88% chicken. That's almost 100.
Okay.
That's getting close. Oh, things are getting real exciting at McDonald's.
You're just videoing me. Oh, that's adorable.
Someone's got to video these memories. Roddy was getting a little too excited. He saw Mom chicken and then dip, and he thought, why waste time? You go straight for the dip. So we're at a spot where they have to put on snow chains. They're not letting you go if you don't have snow chains. So we're about to buy some snow chains and have them put it on for us. This is crazy. We're on spring break. We're supposed to be getting away from this snow, but it's worse than in Utah. Well, it is currently midnight here in California. We've made our way out of the snow. We've been out for a while now. We actually had a lot of rain. Took the snow chains off, and then Janessa switched me spots, so now Janessa's driving. And since she was navigating for me, I started navigating for her. But then I plugged her phone into the car to charge, and the map just popped up on the car. So I've been replaced. I'm no longer needed. So I thought I'd give a quick update. We're about an hour and a half away from Becca's house, where we will finally find some rest after a long day. 800 miles later, here we are.
I need you to go.
We're at Aunt Becca's house.
I need you to go.
We made it.
The door. I couldn't get it.
Well,
I feel like this trip has been very
it's been very
eventful.
eventful. So last time we got stuck in that snowstorm. Going very slow. We had to get chains installed on our tires, and out of all places, it was in Donner Pass where the Donner Party fiasco happened. So we were a little worried that we're gonna have to eat somebody. Janessa said though that she didn't want to eat anybody. So that works out for me and Rodney, I guess. If we're drawing straws, looks like me and Rodney are the ones surviving.
Oh, gee.
Just kidding. It was fine. It was just very slow. It was very slow moving. We got here at 2:30 last night, like I said, but we were quite tired. But here we are. Now we're ready to really experience California and start our spring break. So we'll keep you posted on that. We love you all. Hope you're having fun.